In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link for Facebook Ads Preview, whether you're collaborating with a team, getting feedback from a colleague, or presenting your work to a client. Sharing an ad preview correctly ensures everyone is on the same page. First, let's head over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can simply search for Facebook Ads Manager in your preferred search engine, or navigate directly if you're familiar with the URL. This tool is your central hub for running and managing your ad campaigns. Once you're in the Ads Manager, you're going to click the button that says Go to Ads Manager. It will take you directly into the platform where all your ad activities are housed. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Ensure that your login details are correct, and if you encounter any issues, double check that you've selected the correct Facebook account. Upon entering your credentials, click on Log In. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself in the campaigns dashboard. This area presents a comprehensive view of all your active and inactive campaigns. For today's task though, we're going to focus on navigating to the ads section. Here you'll see a listing of the ads within your campaigns. Next up, select an ad you wish to preview. It's crucial to ensure that this is the right ad, as this link will be shared for others to view. Once you've selected the ad, locate the preview button and click on it. This action will show you a detailed preview of how your ad looks to users on different platforms. Now look for the share option. This button becomes your gateway to begin sharing your ad preview with others. Click on share and you'll be presented with options, one of which is share a link. Selecting this option allows you to create a shareable link specifically for this preview. At this stage, turn on the sharing feature if it isn't already enabled. This step is vital as it activates the link sharing capability. You'll also have the option to select the number of days the link will remain active. Choose a duration that aligns with your needs, whether it's a few days for a quick review or longer for an in-depth analysis. Once you've set these parameters, a link will be automatically generated. This is your sharing link, and to easily communicate it to others, click on the copy button. Now you can paste and send this link via email, chat, or any other communication tool you use. Sharing this link effectively helps streamline your ad review process by giving direct access to your ad previews. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to share Facebook ad previews with ease, enhancing collaboration and ensuring smooth feedback loops. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit.